How to start trading crypto futures contracts on BTSE. To trade futures on BTSE, you'll first need to fund your futures wallet. Go to Wallets, Futures. Click on Transfer, then click on Add All Assets. Select the currency you wish to transfer and enter the amount. Click Confirm. Your funds will be transferred to your futures wallet. Now let's start trading futures. Go to Trade, Futures. Select the futures contracts you wish to trade. Here, we'll trade Bitcoin Perpetual. You can choose from various order types on BTSE. Limit allows you to set a specific price for your order to be executed. Market allows you to buy at current market price. OCO, or one cancels the other, allows you to set a combination of orders, and when one of these is executed, the other one is automatically cancelled. Index. The order will be executed at a fair price based on the index of the underlying asset. In this example, we'll use market order. Here we'll order 10 contracts using market order. You can adjust your leverage ratio at the bottom from between 1x to 100x. Select the base unit you wish to trade in. Here, we'll choose USD. Then, click on whether you wish to long or short a trade. Here, we'll select Buy/Long. You can go to Order, Futures Order to view your trade history. For more educational videos like this, hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you next time.
Don't miss out on the latest updates and insights from BTSE. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on other social media platforms. Find the links in the description box below and stay connected with us today.